unboxing of a Tiny1 camera. This is a camera which is invented in Asia, in Singapore, I think, just for being sensitive and usable in astrophotography. Let's see. Okay, let's see what is inside here. Lots of interesting things. There's a wire. Oh, that's the camera. I have to use both my hands. So, let's open it. Oh, lots of attachments. This is an attachment, I think, for attaching the camera body to a DSLR lens. This is the attachment for using with a eyepiece in a focuser of a telescope. This is another attachment that you can use and attach the camera to a lens. Oh, this is a looks like a telephoto lens, and TinyMOS again, and that's the main lens of the camera, and that is the camera itself. Oh, quite solid. I think it's one of the earliest ones. Let's see how it is. How it works. Okay, I pressed that. Okay, I pressed it now. It starts. Hello world. That's impressive. There's a Hubble Deep Space view. There's a kind of screensaver. Oh no, it's alive. It came to life. Oh, it has a guide to the constellations as they are. So if I look at this direction, yeah, it shows me that the constellation in the view is Deneb. Okay, that's Leo and Virgo, but that is, we know that that will be visible in the day, in the night, not the daylight of the spring. So let's see how we can operate with this. Okay, I've removed the lens cap. It finds the stars. When you point it to the sky, it finds the stars and just you know, adapts it to itself, and then with the GPS it knows your location and everything. This is like a proper computer. That's amazing. You can use it like a normal camera also. Okay, you can actually adjust, zoom it, focus it by just turning the lens. It's like a old style cameras. Very interesting. And you're looking through the camera. And in the video mode you see that. It actually found its way around the sky. So that is the moon, which is true now. The moon is there. And that's Cetus. That's the constellation, the Eridanus. And you can see, if I turn it, you can see Arneb. And that's the Rabbit constellation. And this is the Orion. So quite accurate, amazing camera. I'll have to test it in the night. You can see the the red lines you see around the object is for focusing purpose. And I'm now using the fisheye lens, which is really good, and I've used it for telephoto lens and a normal lens, and all of them are good. The only thing is that the resolution, I don't think that's big enough, but anyway, it's a low light at the moment I'm working with the simplest mode, and I may try it with a different setting just to see how it is, but so far so good. I'm learning. I reset it, factory reset, and everything looks alright. Okay, I have now asked the Tiny1 to find Mars, and he's actually pointing to where I can find the Mars, and here you are. It found the Mars for me. Although it is daylight, as you can see, it can point to it in the sky. Now with a Pentax or Canon K attachment, I was able to actually attach this Tiny1 camera to a spottinoscope, a bush and loam spottinoscope. I have now a telephoto lens, longer than what originally came with this. So let's see how it is. Train of the order of camera to spottinoscope, which I'm using now as a telephoto lens, is from spottinoscope, the attachment for the spottinoscope, the attachment which actually you can connect it to a DSLR lens, automatic lens or manual lens, this Canon Kodo for Canon attachment, which directly goes to the screws on this lovely, oh, very cheap, it's a treasure, bush and loam lens. So there's eyepiece here, but at the same time you can use this attachment here. So practically you have a whole spottinoscope as your telephoto lens. Amazing.